One of the initial steps to consider before placing the clamp in the mouth is securing it with dental floss threaded through the two holes. If the clamp is secured through only one hole and it breaks at the bow, there is a risk of aspiration. For this, we will need approximately 40 centimeters of dental floss. We should lay the two ends of the dental floss over each other, just like this. We need to thread the dental floss through one of the holes. Hold the remaining dental floss in your hand. Then pass the portion that's already threaded through the hole back through the middle of it to form a knot. After tying the secure knot, wrap the floss around the bow of the clamp several times and tighten it to ensure the bow is securely fastened. Once again, lay the two ends of the dental floss over each other and thread them through the other hole. Then, pass the dental floss that's threaded through the second hole back through the middle of the remaining floss to form a knot. With this method, the clamp is thoroughly secured. If it slips from our hands or breaks, we can easily retrieve it and prevent an emergency in our practice.